G'day, this is Dean from bluEJay Fabrications. Today I'd like to show you our new tab trees that we're offering for sale. This one in particular is a 12 gang, so you get 12 individual brackets, all of them the same. They all get cut with a central branch in them. Now the benefit of this is it makes for one large piece. One large piece is a lot easier than one small piece to find. It's better to be looking at it than for it when you need it. These ones in particular are made from 4mm steel. They are 40mm wide, 50mm overall height with a 25mm bore and a 7mm web. These are perfect for tie down, ratchet straps, just something where you need a quick and easy fixture. They also, with the branch setup, we've been able to put a hole up in the end with the spare material. What that allows you to do is use these, hang them up on your wall at home, on your garage, up on your pegboard. Makes it a lot easier to find them when you need them. They can be offered in varying materials and material thicknesses. Check our eBay page, and thank you very much for your time.